Gamma Scout, amazing. It runs from a lithium battery, lithium sulfur chlorine battery, which is long lasting one, and it makes 500 volts. I can measure 500 volts through 1 gigohm resistor, which makes divider 1 by 100, because multimeter resistance is 10 mega ohms. Now I have sent these 500 volts to Geiger counter tube, and looking on oscilloscope, see occasionally random pulses, not very often, not every second. And now I will put radium containing switch, and the pulse rate increases. Disconnected back Gamma Scout original tube. We see pulses which should come at random times. And now I will approach the radium switch, and the increase is not so strong. So there is suspicion that the tube is dying. The problem is that Gamma Scout is clicking too regularly, 2 pulses per second. And if I approach Gamma source, it is more. Now I measure the high voltage on the collector of the transistor, and it is every 3 or 5 seconds we have a new pulse. After the Geiger tube, pulses are limited in amplitude. Now we'll measure after the transistor. There's a transistor pulses which go to microcontroller. Look fine. Somehow pressing managed to get clicker. It's clicking too regularly, not like random numbers. Okay, now I approach the switch. It's clicking more. With connected external tube, it is like random numbers. It should be like that. And when I approach radium switch, then it becomes crazy. The sensor is labeled Centronic ZP-1401. How to operate it? Here we can set date and time. I can press enter, and here I can move up and down, and press enter again. And here is pulse. If I go to pulse mode, I need to press it again to start, and now it counts. And it counts too regularly, 2 counts per second. And if I want audio, then press here, and then it's audio, but it doesn't count. And now we will try to search. Here is radium switch, and we see that sensitivity is terrible. It is now more than 2 counts per second. For comparison, Radiacode. So buy Radiacode, not buy Gamma Scout.